This is Lake Casitas, and it has already been an amazing morning. I don't know if it's going to be epic like it was the last time I was here. You know what? I'll link that over here when I saw the bobcat and the deer, where the antelope play. It was an amazing day. Today I came out, I didn't see the eagles out there. I didn't really see anybody standing in the field either. But what I did see is deer running across the road. They almost got hit, and I'm glad they didn't. That was pretty magical. And then looking up in the trees, I actually walked in, had to go to the bathroom. I walked in, and there was a blue heron up in the tree. Again, it's just like seeing an egret up in the tree. It's not something that I expect. I think of them as shorebirds, and that was pretty cool. But now I'm going to drive the extra 66 miles to get down to, I'm not sure if it's Nojoqui. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but I'm going to go hit the falls, or at least see if I can get there. And if not, well, it's already been an adventure and a lot of fun, but this view is stunning. Go that way. I hate bears. They scare the heck out of me. Okay, this is pretty stunning. After seeing the sign that says bears, I saw movement in trees over there. It's some really bushy squirrels. Really cool. Be able to run past at least one or two of them, right? Everybody making the pilgrimage up to the waterfall. Oh my. It's not a very long hike, but it is steep. There's a woman pushing a stroller, and I've been walking kind of hard to get away from bears, of course. Pushing, and I'm out of breath. I'm fat and old now. I'm way out of shape from my old cycle days. Beautiful. I don't even know if you can hear me. I took one photo with my 58mm. I thought that would be good. Maybe the 35 or a 20 that I don't have. But, pretty epic day. Worth the drive. I think it would be better on a weekday. And with all the rains that we've had, everything is really, really muddy. So now, back down the trail this way. in all, pretty stunning area. Didn't know what to expect, and I think I'll try this sometime on a weekday when there's nobody here. Really neat. JonnyPink, man, thanks for letting me share with you guys. I got to see deer this morning, and what else did I get to see? Oh, the blue heron in the tree. Epic day. I got out, I drove. Next time, who knows where I'll be next time. JonnyPink, thanks a lot, man. You guys have a fantastic day, whatever it is you're gonna do, and I'll see you guys out here.